I'm here at CES and we're at the Whirlpool booth where we're taking a look at KitchenAid Smart Oven Plus. Now there's a lot to love about this device. It has 3 unique cooking pans that tells the oven how to cook the food on each plate. If I open it up and roll it out, you'll see that this is the grilling pan. And back here, you can actually plug the grilling pan directly in, and it reads it and the oven knows how to cook it. In addition to the grill, you see that there's the steam attachment. And like the grill, you just roll it in, oven reads it and knows what to do. And then lastly, there's the baking stone. Same thing. Back there is the hub that reads it, you slide it in, and it knows that the food's on a baking stone. The Smart Oven Plus also comes with this display here that comes preloaded with some recipes. So if I were to hit the home button, I could choose my recipe based from a list here. Say I wanted to make some crab cakes, I could just tap right on the screen and you see I have a recipe right here ready to go. Hit the start button and the oven automatically preheats and we're ready to go. The Smart Oven Plus comes in 2 separate configurations, single or double, and it's going to be available at the end of January for between $3,000 and $5,000.